Togo and Balto. In 1925, in the middle of winter, a terrible disease, diphtheria, threatened to kill the people in the little town of Nome. Now, if an epidemic threatens us today, we get a vaccination. And in 1925, you could in fact get a diphtheria vaccination, but not in Nome. Nome was a gold rush town in the far north in Alaska. It was icebound for 7 months of the year, and the nearest train station was 650 miles away. Airplanes could not fly into Nome in very cold weather. So how would the people of Nome get the serum that would save them from diphtheria? A brilliant plan was made. This is what happened. Wild Bill Shannon and his team of sledge dogs collected the serum from the train. They tied the serum to the sled and they ran with it for 52 miles. Then a new team took over. The men were Inuit, Indian, and white Americans. They drove in the dark and terrible cold. There were many brave men and many brave dogs. One of the strongest and best sled dogs was the Norwegian Seppala, with his lead dog Togo. Togo led the team over the ice-covered sea. Just 3 hours later, the ice broke up. Another famous lead dog was Balto, who led his team through a terrible blizzard. They could see nothing, but suddenly Balto stopped and saved the driver and all the dogs from driving straight into a river that would have killed them all. The trip from the train station to Nome was made in 127 hours, incredibly fast. The serum arrived safely, and the people were saved. Everybody was very proud of the brave men and their dogs. Balto and his team became national heroes.